So hi everyone, a very good morning to all of you, and this is Ruta Dharwa reporting from Fluent Odisha. So today I have come to our government high school. So let's see how students are studying here, and as far as I am concerned, teachers are speaking in English as well as students are also speaking. So due to that, I was surprised and today I have come here. So I have saw some of my students from this government school, and let me have a brief discussion with them. Yeah, please. In this way, you have told so that they could also show.
Okay.
Should we walk?
Yes.
Yeah, please go.
Yes.
Okay, do you know how to hold this mic?
No.
Because I'm a news reporter from Fluent Odisha. So you
Santosh is coming. Come,
okay? Okay, now let's go. Let's go.
come. Where?
Just towards your school.
Okay.
Okay, so what's your name?
My name is Priyansi Behra.
Okay, do you study in government school?
Yes. I am studying in
Okay, you are
government
studying in
school.
government school. So are you hesitant or what?
No.
Okay, be fearless and what is called that very confident as well.
Yes.
Okay, so how are your teachers teaching nowadays?
Our teacher
Yeah, please.
is teaching us
Bhaji, in
very
the thought.
nicely. Santosh.
Oh, just wait.
God.
Okay, once more. So how are your teachers teaching nowadays?
Nowadays our teacher is teaching us very well.
Okay, but yeah, people say that government teachers are not teaching well. So how is it possible? Hey,
No,
side
no.
over, side over.
Every
Huh.
every school.
Yeah, please. Because professionally you are here. I'm a news reporter and taking your news. Yeah.
But in our school, our teacher is teaching us very nicely.
Okay, is it right that your teachers are speaking in English as well?
Some teachers speak English with us.
With us? Are they fluent in English or they are just learning?
No, they are fluent in English.
Okay, are you talking about all the teachers or who provide that English class? That teacher is only able to speak in English.
No, who provide us English?
Yeah,
class?
please walk with me. Okay, you have not mentioned one thing. In which class do you study?
I am studying in class 10.
Oh, I see.
Yes.
Okay, so are there good facilities or not which your school is providing?
There is more facilities.
Are you telling the truth or you are just throwing your words?
I am telling you the truth. This is 100%.
Oh yeah. Here I can see the way you are speaking in front of the camera, and this is one handheld mic as well. So your confidence level is also very high. So how are you feeling? You're speaking with this handheld mic.
I am feeling so nice.
So nice. Me just try to articulate your thoughts, your feelings. Try to show.
I am feeling so confident.
Okay, should I invite here someone else to speak because you have said that
Yes.
other students are also speaking in English. So whom we should call?
To Subham Nag.
Shubham Nag. Oh, where is he? Actually, he has spoken English long days ago. So go rete anta so bade. Abe upar ke anta enta hisab. Where is he? Okay, so Santosh, you should come here. Okay, so dear viewers, here there is one more boy. Okay, in which class are you studying?
I'm studying in class 9.
Okay, do you also study in this government school?
Yeah.
Okay, so how are you studying here?
I am studying very nicely.
Okay, are your teachers teaching you well?
Yeah, well.
All right. So is it right that that girl told me that teachers are also able to speak in English? So is it right or wrong?
Yeah, that is right.
Okay, but yeah, now every person says that government teachers are not teaching well. So what about that?
But some people teach us very nicely.
Okay, one of your teachers I think came here. So are you afraid of that or you are really confident?
I am really confident.
Okay, you are really confident.
Yeah.
So will they tell us anything? Yeah, because without taking permission, just we are making video here.
Yeah, so I don't know what they.
But they will tell.
Yeah.
Okay. So if we tell them something in English, then can they understand?
Yes.
Really?
Really.
Should I ask anything to them?
Yes, we should.
Okay. Are they good teachers or bad teachers? You tell.
They are good teachers.
Okay. Good teachers. It means are they providing well education or their characteristic is good?
They are teaching us very
Okay. Their way of teaching is really excellent.
Yes.
Why have you come early in the morning?
So today is Vishwakarma.
Vishwakarma Puja. That is why you have come early in the morning.
Yes.
Okay, so if your teachers tell you to come here early in the morning every day, then would you like to come in this time or yeah, at 10 o'clock?
Both.
Both time.
Yes.
Okay, so guys, they are really true and right that they are able to speak in English and they are very confident as well. Because you know, you all have a illusion that guys, government students are not able to speak English. But here we belong to a village and there is a one government school as well from 1 class to 10 class, and they are really pretty confident and you know, they are able to speak in English as well. So that's what just I showed you here, and let me show you the environment of this school as well. Till the end of the video, guys, keep watching and just enjoy. So guys, you can see so many students are coming behind me, and I'm so thankful to cameraman as well. I have borrowed him, later I may pay him some money as well. This is a kitchen, guys, where you can say those cookers prepare foods for many students, guys, and they are very good cooker. They cook well and there is no any type of complaints so far from any persons. You know, the way they should provide meal to the students, they are providing that, and I'm so happy. But unfortunately I have not got the chance to study in this school because you know, by the time I completed my high school, so till then just we were studying in our you know, old school. So well, these are the lovely students, guys, from our government school. Manji, something. Okay, so guys, here I have got one more girl as well from this school who is considered as a brilliant girl. So let me have a word with her. Are you ask? Okay, so he line हो जो तुम्हें line हो line लगो यार तुम्हें जो line लगो जो okay, you just wait. So guys, here I have found a girl. So what's your name?
My name is Roisa.
Okay, one day you were also pretty confident, fluent in English. So what about nowadays? Are you practicing or not?
No, I am not practicing because now I am studying in class 10th.
Okay, you are studying in class 10. So is there no English book in your 10th?
No. There is 2 books in our class,
But yeah, please come here.
I don't.
Okay, so guys, so thank you so much for watching till here. So now they are going to do their prayer. So let's do that.